Hello, I'm Lee from Data Harvest, and in today's video we're going to show you our wireless ECG EKG sensor. So all our sensors are Bluetooth and a USB, also got built-in rechargeable battery. They've got a 6-digit number on the front which is unique to the sensor, so if you do have multiples in your classroom, the students can tell which one is which. Now if I hold the button down for 2 seconds, it will now turn on. Now I've got minimal movement today because I've already put these on here, and the tabs can come off. Now you need the tabs to be on for a good 30 to 60 seconds before you try to take the reading, and ideally you need 2 people for this. So you do get lots of the tabs come with the ECG sensor as well, and you can obviously buy extra if you want to as well. So we can go to the software here, go to devices and connect to my ECG sensor. Just takes a couple of seconds. It should connect quite quick, depends on the device. But the ECG Sense 2 software is also a free download of all the appropriate app stores. Now this one, I'm going to click on graph, but I do want to set it up. Now there's lots of worksheets on our website as well that show you how to do this. I only need to, well, I want to log for a duration. I could have just done it and then click stop, but I also want to change the sample rate as well. To start off with, I'm going to log for 2 seconds. My interval rate, my sample rate, I want as 1 millisecond. So I'm going to collect 1,000 samples per second. That's all I need to do on here. So now click the start button. Try to keep, the person doing it keep still. That's why you really should have 2 people doing this. Click the start button and you can see, oh, that's a very good reading indeed. There you go. So what you can see here is now you can now see your PTQS readings. So you can see up here is your P reading. You've got your T reading just here. You've got Q just about down here, and then you've got your S just about down here as well. But so you can see all of those, and you've got your R reading at the top here as well. So you can have your values, tools, but more to the point on this one, you're going to want to add text, so you can do your labels. And we can say, actually, I want to have my label up here, and just there's my R. So I can now type, whoops, click on there, I can type R inside the box. So I've actually got that just there, so you can see that. And you can move that box around as well, so you can see that as much as you like. So it's very easy and simple sensor to do. It works incredibly well, but the trick is, remember, the pads need to be on for a good 30, 60 seconds, maybe a little longer. Make sure they're flat. If they're pulling up too much like that, you won't get a successful reading. And in our manual as well that comes online with the wireless ECG sensor, it tells you where to put these. You can do it on legs as well, but I find doing it on the arms is always the best way to actually do this. If you want to see lots more of our videos, please go to our Academy part on our website, data-harvest.co.uk, and it's broken down into 3 areas. Shows you how the ECG Sense 2 software works, how the wireless sensors work, and the third part is how they both work together, so you can do the experiments, which is one of the videos you're watching today. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Click on the bell down the bottom and allow notifications. And if you need anything else from us or have any questions at all, please drop us an email at sales@data-harvest.co.uk. Thank you.